Alright, today we're going to be replacing a wheel bearing, the hub bearing on the Infiniti 2018. There we go, red sport. So we're taking off this 2 bolts that hold the caliper. There's one here, one down there. Then we're going to remove 4 bolts on the back. I have removed everything already. There's 1, 2, one more over there, and then 2 more on top. So then right there, and 1 more at a time behind there. If you move the wheel to make it easier, you move it towards that way to take off all the 4 bolts from the back. But first you take off the caliper, and then I just put back the bolt to hold it, to remove the rotor. I'm the only one who's recording, so that's why. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. So remove the caliper. The rotor. That's the sign. Put this one back. There it goes. Just put it right there in place so it's not hanging. Okay. You're gonna turn the wheel, remove the 4 bolts from the back. These are the bolts that came out from the back. Now we're gonna remove this nut that's here. So for that, we're gonna remove it with the impact. Just put it on there and then remove it. Okay. And now we're gonna remove this, but I gotta get a tool to remove the whole hub bearing. I will go to autos now. Anything. Oh, you do remove the speed sensor, which I put up here. It goes right over here. There's like an 8mm bolt right here. All right, we are back from AutoZone. We got this wheel drive hub puller and the sliding hammer. Put the puller there. Put the lug nuts and the slide hammer. And we're gonna just hit it to get this out. Let's see how it goes. And unfortunately, I have to take the video off because I'm working by myself. Alright, after 3 hits or 3 slides with the hammer, it's off. So this came off, which is right over here. Well, those are in there. And then the bearing is out. Now remove this one's, put the new one back in, and we should be done. Let's see how it goes. So the whole assembly comes together, so you don't have to do anything else. You don't remove knuckles, you don't remove anything. Oh, you do remove the speed sensor, which I put up here. It goes right over here. There's like an 8mm bolt right here. But yeah, pretty simple swap. Here we have the new one. And it was only 70 bucks, so I think it was pretty cheap. Okay, so I had installed it already, but I did it backwards. So instead of doing like this, so you can align that sensor that will go in there into here, I did it like this, so now it wouldn't align. So just make sure to watch out for how you put it in. There's only 2 ways, one up or like this, just for the sensor.